Assalamualaikum. This is Tania, teacher of Milestone School and College, English Medium Junior Section, Sector 7. So, my dear students, how are you all? After Eid, this is my first class with you. I enjoyed my Eid very well. Did you enjoy? Okay, so now I am going to start the class. Today I will take your math class. So what we learn in our math class? In our math class, we learn number, counting of objects and comparison of objects according to its size and height. So today we will learn a new thing. Are you ready? So Miss is going to start. Today we will learn how to recognize tall and short. We can compare objects according to its size and height. So if we compare the object according to its height, then we can divide it in two ways, in two groups. One is tall, another is short. See, here two flowers in my hand. One is tall and another is short. See, they are standing same position, but their heights are equal. No, one is tall, another is short. Tall, short. Tall, short. Tall, short. When heights or length are not same, not equal, that time we can group it into two. One is tall and that is short. Tall, short. Okay, so now I will show you something. See, what is this? This is giraffe. This is giraffe. So, now look, what is this? This is monkey. This is monkey. Giraffe, monkey. So, are they same? Their heights are same. See, are the same size? No. Giraffe is tall and the monkey is short. Giraffe is tall, monkey is short, right? See, they stand the same position, but the giraffe is tall and the monkey is short, right? Okay. Now see, what are these? Rose flower, right? These are rose flowers. So, see, one stick of rose flowers. Here, another stick of rose flowers. They are same size. Their heights are same. See, I am keeping it in the same position. But their heights are same. No, one is short. Another is tall. One is short. Another one is tall. This stick of rose flower is tall and this stick of rose flower is short. So, do you want to listen a rhyme? Tall and short, tall and short. This is tall, this is short, tall and short. Thank you. Now, let's see some objects which are tall and short. Okay, so let's see.
We can see here one building and a hut. Look, their heights are not equal. Here, building is tall, hut is short. We can see a tree and a plant in this picture. Here, tree is tall and plant is short. What can we see in this picture? We can see two carrots in this picture. Are they same? No, their length are not same. This is tall carrot and this is short carrot. In this picture, we can see two elephants. One is mother elephant and another one is baby elephant. Baby elephant is called calf. Look, their heights are not same. Mother elephant is tall and the calf is short.
In our family, who is tall? Papa is tall, right? And you are short. Okay, so now show me your finger. Look at my fingers. Okay, here which one is tall? This is tall, this is tall, or this is tall? Middle finger is tall. Middle finger is tall. And which one is short? The tiny finger is short, right? So look at your own fingers and find out which finger is tall and which finger is short. Okay, now look at the board. There is a big tree and a small flower plant. Which one is tall here? Can you say? Which one is short? I will circle the short one. So I will circle this one. This is short. Its height is short or tall? Its height is tall. So I will not circle this one. I will circle this one. Yes, this is short. So I will circle this one. Okay. So now I am giving you homework. What you will do? You will look around you. You will look at your house here and there. What is tall things and what is short thing? You will find out the objects which is tall and which is short. Okay, so can you do? So search from now. Start searching in your home which thing is tall and which thing is short. Okay, so this is all about today. Okay, Miss is going now, but I will come with another new topic. Okay, bye bye.